What if I told you there's an AI tool so powerful that it's completely changing how people work, create content and build businesses? But you can't just sign up. That's right. Today I'm giving you the inside scoop on Manus AI and how to actually get your hands on an invitation code that will unlock what might be the most advanced AI assistant on the planet right now. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly what Manus AI can do, why everyone's trying to get access, and my proven method for getting an invitation code that actually works. This isn't clickbait. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to join the AI revolution that's happening right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know me, this is AI Mastery Hub, and I help people leverage cutting-edge tech to work smarter, not harder. Today we're diving deep into Manus AI, the invite-only AI assistant that's taking the tech world by storm. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell because we drop videos like this every week, showing you the latest AI tools that can completely transform your workflow. So what exactly is Manus AI? Simply put, it's one of the most advanced conversational AI assistants available right now. Unlike basic chatbots, Manus AI combines cutting-edge language processing with specialized knowledge in multiple domains. Here's what makes it special. First, it has incredible contextual understanding. You can have complex, multi-turn conversations without constantly reminding it what you're talking about. Second, Manus AI specializes in creative content generation. I'm talking about writing scripts like this one, creating marketing copy, generating code, designing workflows, and even helping with data analysis, all with minimal input from you. Third, and this is huge, it can interface with your existing tools and workflows. Imagine having an AI assistant that can actually understand your business processes and help optimize them. The reason everyone's going crazy for Manus AI is simple. It's saving people hours of work every single day. I've personally cut my content creation time in half, and some users are reporting even better results. Now let's talk about who actually needs this tool. If you fall into any of these categories, you'll want to stick around for how to get that invitation code. For tech enthusiasts and AI beginners, Manus AI is your gateway to understanding what AI can really do. It's intuitive enough for beginners but powerful enough that even AI experts are impressed by its capabilities. For entrepreneurs and business owners, imagine having an AI assistant that can help with market research, draft business plans, create marketing materials, and analyze your competition, all while you focus on strategy and growth. Content creators, listen up. Manus AI can help generate video ideas, write scripts like this one, create social media posts, and even help edit your content. It's like having a creative partner available 24/7. For freelancers and remote workers, this tool is a game changer. It can help you manage multiple clients, create proposals, draft emails, and even help you organize your day for maximum productivity. And developers, Manus AI can help you debug code, suggest optimizations, and even generate entire functions based on your requirements. It's like pair programming with an expert who never gets tired. I've been using AI tools for years now, and I can honestly say that Manus AI is in a league of its own. The quality of output and the time it saves me is simply unmatched. Now you're probably wondering, if it's so amazing, why can't anyone just sign up? There are a few key reasons. First, the developers want to ensure stable performance as they scale. By limiting access, they can maintain quality while gradually expanding their user base. Second, the invitation system creates a community of users who genuinely value the tool. When access requires an invitation, people tend to use it more meaningfully. And finally, let's be honest, exclusivity creates buzz. And that buzz helps Manus AI stand out in an increasingly crowded AI marketplace. The demand is so high right now that people are offering hundreds of dollars for invitation codes on forums and marketplaces. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get one legitimately without paying anything. Here's my proven 5-step method for getting a Manus AI invitation code. Step 1. Join the waiting list. Head to manus.ai and join their official waiting list. This is your foundation. Make sure you use your main email address that you check regularly. Step 2. Engage with the community. Manus AI regularly monitors social media for engaged users. Follow them on Twitter, LinkedIn, and join their Discord server if they have one. Participate in discussions about AI and show genuine interest in their technology. Step 3. Create valuable content. This is where most people miss out. Create content showing how you would use Manus AI, a blog post, LinkedIn article, or even a YouTube video like this one. Tag Manus AI in your content. The team regularly rewards content creators with invitation codes. Step 4. Network with current users. Connect with existing Manus AI users through LinkedIn, Twitter, or Discord communities. Most users get invitation credits they can share, and they're often willing to help fellow enthusiasts. Step 5. Participate in challenges and events. Manus AI regularly hosts challenges and virtual events where they give out invitation codes. Set up Google Alerts for Manus AI Challenge or Manus AI event to stay informed. Using this exact method, I received my invitation code within 2 weeks, and I've helped over 50 viewers get access using the same approach. Important note, be wary of scams. Never pay for invitation codes from unofficial sources, and never share personal information beyond what's required for the official waiting list. Once you receive your invitation code, here's what to do first. Complete the onboarding thoroughly. This helps Manus AI understand your specific needs and customize its responses accordingly. Start with simple tasks to understand its capabilities before moving to more complex projects. Join the user community to learn tips and tricks from experienced users, and most importantly, experiment. The true power of Manus AI comes from learning how it can best fit into your specific workflow. There you have it, everything you need to know about Manus AI and how to get your invitation code. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns just like this one. Drop a comment letting me know what you plan to use Manus AI for once you get access. I personally respond to every comment in the first 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.